Hi everybody, here is an Oral-B electric toothbrush. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to increase its service life. I am Saeed and you are watching the Key channel, a channel which is devoted to repairing and adjusting different devices. But in the first place, we can prevent our devices from getting damaged. This one is not very expensive, but it is a really high quality product, so it is quite rational to keep it working for some more years. This device is of course created from two different parts. The first part is the brush head. This one is related to dentists, not engineers. You need to wash it thoroughly after each brushing, and also you need to replace it when these blue guys are decolored halfway. But I think this is not really necessary. This is a really high quality part. You can use it for a few months. So I recommend to use it until you feel that you cannot clean up your teeth. And about this part, this one is completely waterproof. It means that you can use it under the shower. But the most important question in here is that, can we always keep it charging? I mean, can we put it on the charger station for a very long time? Based on the recommendations provided by the manufacturer, this is completely safe, because the overcharging is impossible. But look, the battery which is used in this device is an NiMH battery. There are a lot of different controversial ideas about this kind of battery. The overcharging is impossible. The overcharging is possible and can damage the battery. And also, the memory effect is impossible. The memory effect is possible. The memory effect is possible and you can reverse it by charging and discharging your device. So it is far better to be quite cautious about it. And what I recommend is to charge it like any other rechargeable device. Charge it for 16 hours. Meanwhile, you can use your toothbrush, of course. After that 16 hours, do not charge it again and use it for several times. It should be something around 5 to 6 times when you feel that the speed is really decreased. And again, charge it for another 16 hours and repeat this process again and again and again. It means that you do not charge your device when this device doesn't need any charging process. And here is another important tip. You need to dry your toothbrush after each brushing using a towel. Never leave it to be dried naturally. In this way, if you leave it to be naturally dried, it means that water evaporates and sediments remain on your device. That remaining sediment creates a really disgusting appearance for your toothbrush, and also it can destroy rubber parts over time. If you start these two important tips today, you can increase the service life of your device, of course. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed.